PBS Kids comic of Hiccups.
Oh my gosh. Look at the hiccups.
Good morning, Dot.
Good morning, Dash.
Whoa, Dot. Looks like you have the hiccups.
Yeah, no. I really need a drink of water. I think that did the trick. We got to try something else, Dash. Dash, where are you?
Boo.
What the heck was that for, Dash?
Elle was trying to scare your hiccups away.
Oh.
Drat. You're right. We got to try something to get rid of your hiccups.
Well, what can we do?
We can go outside in our backyard.
But how's it gonna help my...
Come on. You'll see.